Hi, today we're going to do percent bar graphs. They're kind of like circle graphs, but in rectangle form. It's a fascinating graph to me. I have not seen these graphs a lot, like in the paper or on the internet or whatever. But anyway, it's a thing for sixth grade. So a percent bar graph organizes data, just like all graphs. The data is different because it's based on percent of a whole. So how does how many people wanting to go to UT out of the whole set of data? Okay, so first we're going to start with a relative frequency table, and of course we want percentages, right? Because it's a percent bar graph. Fractions are nice, but percent is what we really need. So if we look at the survey, who wants to attend where, 4 people said they want to go to UT, and 6 A&M, 4 Baylor, 3 Tech, 1 Texas State, and 2 Rice. Yeah, that's in Houston. Okay, so we need to know all of the total. So that's 10, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, that's nice. 20. Okay, so out of 20, if we're trying to get to percents, and percents are out of 100, right? We're going to multiply by 5 to get the percent. So this is 20% here. 6 times 5 is 30%. 4 times 5 is 20%. 3 times 5 is 15%. 1 times 5 is 5%, and 2 times 5 is 10%. So all of those should add up to 100. So 50, 35, 40, 50. Yep, it does. So when we get to the percent bar, what we're going to do is start coloring in. So here's the key. We're going to make UT orange. That makes sense, right? So 20% is going to go to UT. So we're going to start at the 0 and build our way up to 20%. Okay. So of the whole, this set of people want to go to UT. Now, the whole thing should be filled up when we're done because the whole 100%. Okay. So A&M, let's see, I do have a maroon-ish color. Okay, so A&M is 30%. So I have to start at 20 and go up 30. So that's 10, 20, 30. Okay, that's going to bring us to the halfway mark because together that makes a whole 50%. Okay, and then Baylor. Baylor, we're going to do green. So Baylor is another 20%. So from 50, 60, 70, Baylor goes up to the 70 mark because it's from 50 to 70, right? That's 20%. Texas Tech. Texas Tech is red. All right. So Texas Tech is 15. So I'm going to go up 10 and 5 to right here. So Texas Tech would be this 15%. And then Texas State, I have no idea what color Texas State is. So we'll go with yellow. Sorry, Texas State, don't know. You go up 5%. Couple people want to stay close to home and go to Texas State. And then Rice, I don't know what color you are either. We're going to go with blue. And blue, Rice is the last 10%. Okay, so literally the whole thing gets covered up because you need 100% of the data, just like in a circle graph. Okay, so how do you build it? Let's go backwards. First, we find the percent for each university, And then we draw the percent bar graph to match. Okay, so we're literally matching percent with percent. All right, and that is it for percent bar graph. If you have any questions, ask your teacher.